Hello guys, I am Nisha Bantar. Welcome to our YouTube channel Edufy India. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Today we see what is the fundamental unit of the life. So let's start. First, introduction. Cell, plasma membrane, cell wall and nucleus and the cytoplasm. So let's start with the cell. The small structure that are the basic building unit of this structure are called as a cell. As we know that our body is made up of the full of the cell. A cell is a Latin word for a little room. It discovered by a Robert Hooke in 1665. He discovered a tone cell with a cork. Cork is a substance come from a tree bark, sliced with the help of the improvement. They are also a single cell that live on their own. Example, amoeba, paramecium and the bacteria. They are called as a unicellular organism. Uni means a single cell. Cell group together in a single body doing a different function in it to form a various part is called as a multicellular organism. Multicellular means a many. Example, fungi, plant and animal. Each cell has got a certain specific component which is known as a cell organelles and they perform a different type of the function. How the cell made up? The cell has a special component which is known as the organelles and they contain the three components. First is a plasma membrane, second is a cytoplasm and the third is a nucleus, and these all activity are done inside the cell. So let's just start with the first, which is a plasma membrane. The membrane found in the cell that separate the interior of the cell from the outside the environment is called as a plasma membrane. It also called a cell membrane. It allow or permit the entry or exit of the some material. It also prevent a movement of some other materials. Therefore, it called as a selectively permeable membrane. So let's see how does the movement of a substance take place into the cell and how they move out. Diffusion play some substance like a carbon dioxide, oxygen can move across the cell membrane by a process is called as a diffusion. Diffusion play an important role in a gaseous exchange between the cell as well as the external environment. There is a spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of the high concentration to a region of the low concentration. So, for example, carbon dioxide comes out from the cell of the high concentration to the low concentration by a process of the diffusion. Similarly, oxygen enters the cell by a process of the division. So let's start with the osmosis. The movement of a water molecule through such a selectively permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Osmosis is the passage of the water from a region of the high water concentration through a selectively permeable membrane to a region of a low water concentration till equilibrium is reached. Unicellular freshwater organism and the most plant cell tend to gain water through the osmosis. Example, absorption of a water by a plant. Different molecules move in and out of the cell through a type of the transfer requiring use of the energy, and the water is also obey the law of the diffusion. Diffusion play important role in exchange of the gases and the water in the cell. It also absorbs the nutrient from the environment. The plasma membrane is a flexible and it is made up of the organic molecule which is known as the lipids and the protein, and the structure of the plasma membrane is seen only through the electron microscope. The flexibility of the cell membrane enables the cell to engulf in a food and the other material from its external environment. Such process is known as endocytosis. Example, amoeba. In this figure, primitive eukaryocytosis is engulfed the aerobic bacteria through the process of the endocytosis. Now see the cell wall. Plasma membrane contain outer covering layer is called as a cell wall. It composed of the cellulose and it provides the structural strength of the plant. When a plant cell loses the water through the osmosis, then the cell is a shrink or the contract to the content of the cell away from the cell wall, and this phenomena is known as a plasmolysis. Cell wall permit the cell of the plant, fungi, bacteria to a very diluted external media without the bursting. By osmosis, cell wall building a pressure against the cell wall. Because of the cell wall have a greater change in the surrounding medium than the animal cell, and the animal cell do not have the cell wall. Then the nucleus. Nucleus is a double-stranded organelle that contains the genetic material. It present in all the eukaryotic cell. It's one of the largest organelle and it has a double layer covering which is called as a nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has a pores which allow the transfer of the material from inside and outside the cell, and it is look dark in the microscope, and it is a slightly rod shaped structure when the cell division is occur. Then the chromosome contain the information for the inheritance of the character from the parents to the next generation, and the chromosome are composed of the DNA and the protein. So we see the DNA. DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA molecule contain the information necessary for the constructing and organizing the cell. Functional segment of the DNA are called as a gene. Chromatin material visible and entangled mass of the thread like the structure. In a cell which is not a dividing, this DNA present as a part of the chromatin material, and this is a visible as an entangled mass of the thread like a structure. The cell is to divide the chromatin material get organized into the chromosome. Role of the nucleus. The play central role in a cell production by which a single cell divide from a new cell. It play a critical part with the environment in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit at a maturity by directing the chemical activities of the cell. An undefinite nuclear region containing one nucleic acid is called as a nucleotide. The origin lack the nucleotide is called as a prokaryotic. An example is the bacteria, and the organisms have the nucleotide are called as eukaryotic. Example, plant and animal. Now we see the cytoplasm. The part of the cell which occur between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane is called as a cytoplasm. Eukaryotic have a nuclear membrane as well as an enclosed organelle. The cytoplasm is a fluid contained inside the plasma membrane which is called as a cystole. Function. It is responsible for holding the component of the cell and protect from the damage. It stores the molecule required for a cellular process, and it also responsible for giving the shape. In the example, virus do not have the cell membrane and do not show the characteristics of the life until they enter the living body and use its cell for the multiplication. So the cytoplasm is a very important. So this all about the cells. Now we in the next video we see the cell organelles.